Wild is Life Trust and ZEN in Harare, Zimbabwe. Is a work in progress. It is an ongoing evolution, happening with the passing of time and maturity of spirit. We have become a fusion of humanity and wildlife. We are not just a wildlife sanctuary, we are so much more. Our philosophy of one by one is reflected in the care and welfare of our animals, as well as the guests who choose to visit us. All are treated as individuals. Wild is Life is a haven of comfort and seclusion, calm and dignity. We offer an authentic experience of close-up and personal connections with our animals, many of whom are rescued, orphaned or specially protected. We choose to offer these experiences with integrity and with a responsibility towards the welfare of both the guests and our wild residents. Wild is Life has a long history and has grown exponentially over the past 18 years. From the humble beginnings of a few rescued wild orphans in our backyard, we have grown into the quality animal sanctuary that we are today. We are a genuine wildlife sanctuary, catering for injured, orphaned and rescued wildlife, as well as endangered and specially protected species. Our beginnings can be traced back to 1998, when we only had small creatures such as duiker and mongoose. We then grew substantially during the rocky and disturbing times of Zimbabwe, where we opened our arms to numerous species of wild mammals that needed a safe haven from the chaos that was prevailing. Our cornerstone philosophy is one by one, respecting each animal in our care as an individual and a sentient being. Wild is Life consists of two branches, namely the Wild is Life Trust, and the Zimbabwe Elephant Nursery. These two entities combine to ensure that our philosophy of one by one is carried out to the last letter. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.